This is a quick demonstration of the QM Wizard using a very simple field service inspection checklist. QM Wizard is part of the SpringPoint Industrial Software Suite. This video is focusing just on the QM Wizard. To begin using the QM Wizard, you're going to need a PDF form. You can use our included forms, or you can create your own. During this demonstration, we're going to complete the form you see here on the screen. This is a PDF with interactive form fields. Note, we have a designated image field. During the demonstration, we're going to take a photo, and when the QM Wizard completes the final report, that photo will be inserted in this box. And again, this is just a simple checklist, meaning there are no preset validations, criteria, or tolerances. QM Wizard is capable of a lot. If you've already seen the QM Wizard overview video, it will give you a good idea of what the QM Wizard is and how it functions. So let's log into the SpringPoint suite. Once we are logged in, the system's going to take you to the SpringPoint dashboard. It is going to have all the information about the SpringPoint suite, just like the QM Wizard, which has its own dashboard with job information. Other videos cover this dashboard, so check those out. First thing we're going to do is add a job in the QM Wizard. Click to add a job, enter a department and job type. In this case, we will use field service. We enter our customer information and our equipment ID. We could select new, but in this case, we're going to select existing, meaning we've seen this piece of equipment before, and the nameplate data already exists in the system. Once we create the job, we can select our job form. We're going to use our basic field service checklist, enter any other pertinent job information, and call this the annual inspection. There are other fields for more information. Once you create a job in the QM Wizard, it's also available in Motorbase and vice versa. And here we have the nameplate data that we previously collected and entered into the QM Wizard. We can add any more information if needed and have it available later. From this point, we go up to the Quality Manager. We see our job number. We click Begin to enter into the checklist. We see here some of the information that's already come over because we've mapped those fields, such as the customer information, job numbers, and all the nameplate information. So we don't need to re-enter that information. Let's jump down under the task of cleanliness. We have created drop-down boxes to standardize the work. Choose our selection and enter a comment. Removed an oily layer of dust, and then move on to the next item. We have another drop-down selection and the ability to enter a comment. That is how we designed this field. We will continue working through the checklist. Using drop-down boxes makes things a lot quicker for your technicians. Sometimes tasks are not applicable, so instead of entering NA each time, you can choose a button option to auto-insert the NA. We don't have it enabled on this demo checklist, so as we go through the tasks making selections, we're just entering NA in these fields. Now we will move on to the next tasks until we get to the image task. Here we will go out to the shop and take the image and enter it directly into the field. The upload is successful, so we will continue. The final few things here in our checklist. We have the ability to put in some comments, make some recommendations. In our demo, our field tech is recommending that the customer subscribes to our 24/7 remote monitoring service. We will now go back to the QM dashboard, where we see all the items are in green, indicating they have been completed. We will now run and name the QM report. Let's go ahead and call this the June inspection and choose to run the report. All the work done by the technician has built the report without any manipulation. It is now ready to print or email directly to your customer. Again, these reports are able to be formatted any way you want. You have full creative control. Learn more about the QM Wizard or anything else in the SpringPoint Industrial Software Suite by going to our website, www.springpt.com. Look through these videos or contact us at sales@springpt.com.